Hi guys, today we are going to be taking a quick tutorial video how to make money online by simply watching ads. By making money, we'll just make money. We don't need to do Shopify, Amazon, affiliate marketing, or anything that will stress your time. It's just by watching ads of 30 seconds time, 20 seconds time, 1 minute time, and then we get money. So we'll go straight to the point by going to and putting this link. Is in your I'll put the link in the description, so that once you just press it, you'll be able to get a $10 sign up bonus by just pressing that link. Yeah, so when I load, it's gonna quickly load, and use this link to sign up, because once you use this link to sign up, you'll be able to get the $10 bonus again. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you press it, the link, to get the $10 bonus, and don't miss out. So by pressing sign up, is this. In this sign up form, then they will tell you that you're a Savatry member because you sign up with a Savatry account. So you just put your name, simply put your name in the name, there. Then put your email address, then put your password, fill out, then you start putting a sign, put a 094 2004. Yes, protects their server from fake accounts by robots, because many companies like to go by using robots against them. So make sure that the person signing up is not a robot. Anybody that can't answer this simple question is simply a robot, because robot only does what it's supposed to do. So by putting all this, we are trying to show them that we're actually humans and not robots. So we'll just put here all the various traffic lights, and it has proved that we're not robots. So we'll sign up. By signing up, as I told you, using my link, you'll get your $10 sign up bonus, and it's adding the results. You are seen and you are sure. So having done this, you are seeing that each ad you are liable to be able to get them. This one is $0.3. This one is $0.3. This one is $0.3. This one is $0.62. This one is $0.57. 0.54, 0.46, 0.46. Every day as you come, you see this ads in your account, and once you are done with them, and you are able to add the money, see the money. So this is your ad balance. So you can even just watch ads by clicking it. They will take you to on that page where you watch the ad. Don't close this page recording your visit. Just because this is not the ad, because this ads in it. Close the page recording your visit, and to show you the ad. I'm just taking one ad as example to show you. See, please wait 35 seconds, and once you're done, once this counts out finish, you can be able to go straight to another and watch another ad. Just all you have to do is just by scrolling up and scrolling down, and once you are done with this, and once the 22 seconds run out, already 21 now, you're already done, and you go to watching the next ad. You might even find this a lot by seeing ads. You can even see other opportunities, but this one is legit. When we finish, I'll show you why I think this one is very legit, because most people that I know have cashed out with it. So once you see this skip button, you just press the skip and you take it back. Unfortunately, one disadvantage of CashVip is that CashVip has a very bad disadvantage, because it has a lot of ads pressing it and it's disturbing it. So once you just complete other ads every day, five ads, then you come here Then you go to your invite earnings. I want to show you. So this is your invite link. By every referral that you do, this is your invite page. By every referral that you do, you'll be able to get $1, and your friend also gets $10 from it, right? So this is your referral link. So you just give it out to your friends, share it by Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, many Facebook pages that many Facebook pages make you money online. Post it there so that people will be able to know about it. So I'll take you to why I think that CashVip is very, very legit. If you go to CashVip, the CashVip page, you see where they call live payment. You'll be able to see. So you just come, you just close this page and go to CashVip, cashvip.com. So when you check, I'll show you the live payments where people are getting money, making money live. And that I'll show you. I'll end it by showing you how to easily withdraw your. We are done. So you go to live payments. You can see people are getting money. Members pay out. Someone just cashed out just today. One cashed out $1,000, $700. Are you seeing people's posting? How they are earning from CashVip? The ratings are very high. So go back to your login page. So I'll teach you how you it. So you go to Savatree and it will take you back to the home page so that to show you that you're not a -3. It's a Savatree member, you're in -3.cashvip, and then you go to your dashboard CashVip and just make money. So I'll teach you when you have cash out, when you are able to finish everything. These are legit cash out apps. So this is your how much you already made by just coming to there and clicking my link. Just now, in how many minutes? It's just 7 minutes as you have just come in. I will already be able to the money. You just redo it, and by just coming you are really able to make this amount. CashVip is a very wonderful way that you can make money online. So if you want to withdraw, you simply go to your dashboard, this thing, then you press invite, and I say you press withdraw. You click on the withdraw button and it take you to your payment. The payment, you see, PayPal $100, PayPal $70, Payoneer $70, Payer $100, Western Union $70, and your gift card, Google Play gift card. So when you are done doing ads every day, by the time you are done, you can just simply come over and press it. You can share your invite link to make people to come, because by the time you are getting 70 referral links, that means you'll be able to, what have these shows? They'll be able to make up $70 and cash out by just sharing referral links and watching ad make money. Okay, we are done with this video. Please subscribe, smash the subscribe button and like, and also comment if you think that this, and when you cash out, please come and show us your cash out and show everybody that you have actually made money from this making money opportunity. So having been done with this video, I'd like to say that our next video is I'm going to teach you guys how to download GTA 5